Salesforce interview questions part 2. What is static resource in Salesforce? With Salesforce's static resource, subscribers can upload zip files, images, jar files, JavaScript, and CSS files that can be referred in a Visual Force page. The optimum size of static resources in Salesforce is 250 MB. Next, what is the difference between Force.com and Salesforce.com? Force.com is a platform as a service, while Salesforce.com is software as a service. Is there a limit for data.com records? Salesforce users can see their limit from setup easily by simply clicking data.com, administration or users. From the data.com users section, the users can see their monthly limit and exactly how many records are exported during the month. What are the three types of object relations in Salesforce? The three types of object relations in Salesforce are one to many, many to many, master detail. The relation types are quite logical once the user becomes familiar with the software program. Next, what are the different types of reports available in Salesforce? The different types of reports in Salesforce are tabular report that displays the grand total in table form, matrix report where grouping is based upon both rows and columns, summary reports that are detailed reports in which the grouping is based on columns, joined report which allows two or more reports to be joined in a single report. Next, is it possible to schedule a dynamic dashboard in Salesforce? In Salesforce, it is not possible to schedule a dynamic dashboard. Next, what is the junction object and what purpose does it serve? Junction objects are used to build many to many relationships between objects. For example, the user can take a recruiting application where a position for a job can be linked to many candidates, or can take a candidate and link the candidate to many other jobs. In order to connect the data model, a third party object is referred to as junction object. In the given example, the junction object is job application. What is an audit trail? The audit trail function in Salesforce is useful for gaining information or for tracking all the recent setup changes that the administration has done in the organization. The audit trail can preserve data for up to 6 months. Next, explain the Salesforce dashboard. In Salesforce, the dashboard is a pictorial presentation of the report. 20 reports can be added to a single dashboard. What is the difference between SOQL and SOSL? SOQL is Salesforce Object Query Language and SOSL is Salesforce Object Search Language. If you are sensing that Salesforce is a culture unto itself, you are correct. What is a wrapper class? A wrapper class is a class whose instances are a collection of other objects and is used to display different objects on a visual force page in the same table. Next, what is the sharing rule? The sharing rule are applied when a user wishes to allow access to other users. Thank you for watching this video.